Hi folks, and this is the final video for this section on this little small house we've been working on. And in the last video we did our 3D floor plan. Now I want you to look over here at the project browser here. We've got 3 drawings already set up. We've got our site, our floor plan, and our elevations. So what we want to do here, I'm going to just go into here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to rename this to site plan. Where it says unnamed, we're going to say site plan. And I'll say OK. And I'll select this one here and rename this as well. I think this is our floor plan. Let me just cancel that and go into that view. Yep, we rename this to, got a video of this before. So we're just going through this now because we want to just finish this off. So then we're going to go right click here. And these are our elevations, right? Rename elevations. Okay, now for our final of our drawing, as we can look at our site plan, we need some more stuff here. And then in our floor plan, it looks pretty good, elevation. So what we'll do right now is we'll create another sheet, and that's just done by right clicking here and new sheet. And then it says we'll take the 11 by 17, we'll say OK. Now on this new sheet, we can use this sheet for our sections. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just drag this section here. Remember that one? And actually, we can even probably make this a bigger scale. Well, I don't know what's going on with these scales. Let's just say 1 to 50. There you go. And I'll deactivate that view. This is metric, of course. So there's a section view. And then we can go back to the floor plan actually and make another view, another section view going in this other direction here. So let's just take a section this way. And let's double click here. Now there's that section. So we can take this guy and go back to this sheet here. And I want to just drag and drop that section that we just created. Section 2. I think I like that scale better, actually. So I'm going to just drop this scale down here to where it was. I'm going to do a custom here. Let's say 96. There we go. So there. Activate this view. We'll just move this guy here and this one here. And then remember again, for this one, we just activate this view and we can apply the view template. Apply view template. No, wait a second. Manage view templates. No, 1 second here. I gotta think about this for a minute. So here we're gonna go create view template. No, I don't want to do that. No, I want to apply, and I want presentation. Okay. So there we go. So I'm going to deactivate that view. And now this drawing could be just for presentations and things like that. And you can do anything with these views. You can right click here, activate this guy, and you can take it back to this original. I didn't do that one. Okay. And then now we want to go into our project browser again. And this is just for like presentation stuff, guys. You can change these to anything you like. Now I think we did a, let's go back into our site plan. In our site plan, I think we can add the 3D view of the house. I think it's this one. Yes. So I'm going to shut that down, and I'm going to just drag and drop our house right there. I'll change the scale, of course. Let's go 200. Yeah, that's fine. I probably should have did 100, but that's good. So you have your little 3D view there on this cover sheet with your site plan. Say, I don't care how you do this. You can do this any way you like, your preference. And then here, you can really get fancy. You can take that 3D rendering we created here. Here, we made a photorealistic rendering. We can take that and bring it here. And then for that guy, let me see, we can go over here and activate this view. And you grab it, and then you just pull it down from the corners to whatever size you want. I think that's pretty good. And you can just stick that in there. And so there's like our set of drawings, basically, with presentation. And then with these views that you have, you can do almost anything you want with them, basically. You know, you can go over here, and I can activate this guy here. Apply my view template. Well, I want to undo that. I can just go for this one. I'll just go find view, and I'll show it as shaded. So that's it, folks. I just wanted to show you how you can finish this project off. So now you've got your site plan with a couple of views on it. And then here you put all the site information in. And then your floor plan. Now here, I think this will be a good place for our 3D floor plan. So here it is right here. And we can just drag and drop that guy right about there. So you have your 3D floor plan in that drawing, in the floor plan drawing, and then your elevations we've got these going, and your presentation drawing, or your sections. So I'm going to just tile these views, zoom on, and there you go. So we basically created, let me shut this off, these two. You just got 4 nice drawings here. And basically, you can expand on this any way you want. Like I said, you can take these elevations here, activate this view, and I want to go to my view template here, and I will go with this architectural section, and it'll bring it back. So guys, thank you for watching this series of videos on the basic house. I appreciate all your new subscribers, and you should go from the beginning to the end of this basic tutorial that help you do a basic house in Revit. Also, let me just do one other thing here I didn't think about. We can do schedules here as well. So let's put our schedules on this drawing right here. So this drawing right here would be our schedule. So basically it's very simple. So we just go into view and we go to schedules, and we can do our schedule quantities, and let's go down to, let's just filter this out to architectural only. Okay, and then we'll go and get our, let's see, just something basic and simple like our doors, for instance. And we go okay. And then these are the fields we want to use for our doors. Let's go with family here. Let's go with height, width. Let's go to rough height and rough width, both of those. Rough width. And width. Again, for now, let's just say okay. And there's our schedule of all of our doors here, which is cool. So we have those, and then we'll go here and let's go back into our view here, and we can take this schedule here that we just created, door schedule, and we can just drag it and drop it right here and just adjust it, and have a whole video section on schedules, how to filter them, how to use the families in them, and a lot of different things. So these are our doors. And we'll just drag that over here and make some adjustments here and here. Okay, now let's go and get our Windows schedule. So we'll go into view again, schedules and quantities here, and let's go Windows. So it should be all the way to the bottom here. Okay, and then our fields for our windows, and they main you can do add manufacturer, you have it, so you can go height. Okay, we go family. We can go type here as well. We can go height, width. You can seal height is important. Width. And go okay. That's just a few fields you can add here. So just go and do a little edit here in my fields. So when I do that, I will go ahead to my properties and then select fields. And I want to remove, excuse me, family and family type. And I go ahead and count. Should have probably add that to the other one, and then go up and go okay. And there's that schedule. So now let's get that schedule out of our project browser here, and where is it? There it is, Windows schedule. And there are all of our windows. So hey folks, so there's our little project we created. I'm glad you watched this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll do another project, and then there's other projects. You have a request project. So if you did this project, I would love to see what you did, how you did it. Thanks for watching, everybody, again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.